Hi guys, Tom from Zick Motor Garage here. If you're looking at jacking up your Corvette and wanting to protect it, well, these are definitely recommended and needed. These are the jacking pucks from ACS Composites. These come in 3 different colors: black, the blue, the red. They are made of aluminum. I will show you what they look like. This particular one that we have here are in red. They install very easily. You could either put them on temporarily as you're jacking up the car, or you could be permanently installed with the hardware that it comes with. This is what it looks like. Really nice finish on these. There's obviously 4 of them, and it comes with all the hardware you need to install them. So let's get started. All right, now we're going to start with the easy install. We're going to start with the front passenger side. Here's our spot, and there's other places that you can see, but what you want to do is install it on this oval hole right here. Okay, get your jack puck, stick in your first bolt, back piece, get it in. All right, get the other bolt. So it looks like in the back. All right, get that started. Give yourself a little bit of room because we're going to stick that in. We're going to turn it to lock it in place. All right, here we go. So we're going to stick it in. And turn. All right, now that it's turned, tighten it up. Get the tool that's occluded. Start tightening it up. Again, you could put this in temporarily as you're going to a dealership, or you're working on your car, or permanently as we're going to be installing. Tighten it up. Want this flying off as you're driving. Make sure it's nice and tight and secure. And the installation is complete. There's a little close-up of what it looks like installed. Very simple and easy installation. And this works on the C5, C6, C7s, and C8s on all the different models. And here's what it looks like installed on the rear. All you have to do is repeat on the other side. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.